What is up everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video we're gonna be doing another unboxing video. For today's video I have purchased a new bag from Hong Kong outlet store. So for today I'm super excited because it's really nice bag. So today I went to a bag store in Tung Chung. Tung Chung is actually an outlet shops where they have all sorts of brands and stuff that you can buy from an outlet store, which is like cheap and very affordable. And for today I went to Coach outlet shop in Tung Chung. So I got a new bag. This is the bag that I got. So it's actually here. So we're gonna be doing unboxing as well, so you guys can see what I purchased, and I'm gonna tell you the price, the discount that I got for that shop, and how much it costs, and then the freebies that I got. So stay tuned for this unboxing video, and see you guys on my next clip. Peace. So let's go and unbox this bag that I've got from Coach. So this is the paper bag from an outlet store. I believe this is the version of it, because when you buy stuff from an outlet store, this is the paper bag that they're gonna give. So yeah, let's open this bag now. Woo!
Wow.
So look at this. So they really pack it really nice, because because I got it from Coach and I asked them to put it in a box for me, because why not, right? So this is the box with a sticker. Go Coach. So we're gonna unbox it now. Woo, super excited. Wow! So that's the dust bag from Coach, and here's the bag. So yeah, the bag is here. So this one is actually called a, let me see the name actually, let me have a look. So here's the bag, and look at these beauty. So this is like a messenger bag. Let me have a look on the name of it. So there's like a black and white color tone on this bag, and a long strap here. And I actually got the freebie as well, so where I put my name here. So it's actually C2XXIV, or they call me C2 as well. C2 means like 2C, because my name is Christian Kapinpin, that's why it's C2. The XXIV represents 24, because I'm born on December 24. So that's why I put this as my name tag. So where I use Instagram as well. So yeah, you can find me on Instagram by using C2XXIV. So yeah, so this is what I've got. Look at these. The smell of new purchase bag. So the name of this bag is actually, they call it like Track XBD Signature Print HRD. So I think it's a signature bag, and the sales lady told me that this is a new design from Coach, where they actually have it on outlet as well. So which is a really good buy, because in official store I think it would cost around the original price of it will be like 4,950, but today in an outlet store I got it for 50% off, 60% off. So it's only, which cost me roughly around 1,800 plus an extra 15% off for this bag. So which cost me only like 1,663 Hong Kong dollar. So for Philippine peso, it would cost around roughly around 12,000 peso for this bag, which is not bad already for a brand new bag. So yeah, let's have a look inside. What's inside the bag? So the actual name of this bag, so the actual name of this bag is actually Coach Men Track Crossbody in how do you say, color black signature canvas. So I got it in black and white tone color. So yeah, so this was released on year 2021, so which is like already like kind of new collection from Coach, and they actually have a lot of colors as well, and I'm gonna show you guys on the screen, and so you guys can have a look of the color availability of this bag. And then yeah, so let's go. So I just want to let you guys know that the bag, the material used for this bag is actually smooth calf leather, and they also have the speed clip lock, speed clip closure. So this one, so that should be this, and they also have the zipper for the bag. And the material used inside is actually fabric material, where they have one compartment here, a small compartment, and the big space on this side, and another two more small compartments for small objects. So where I think I would put my keys, my cards, or small objects like my vape, my e-cigarette, or something like that. So yes, look at this material, guys. It's really, really nice. Look at this. And the classic Coach logo style, and here should be white material. The zipper is white, and sorry, let me just remove this. And look at this, guys, look up, C2XXIV. So comment down below, guys, if you guys really like this bag, and if you guys have further more question. If you guys have more questions, just please comment down below, and let me see if I can answer all your questions, and see if I can get more information through Google, so I can reply to you guys. So once again, guys, I got this from Tung Chung Hong Kong outlets, and they also have the Coach for ladies. Maybe I will do another vlog with that with my sister, because I'm thinking of buying her another bag. So see if I can have it, if I have a chance to go there with her on my next day off. And so stay tuned on my next vlog. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please do like and subscribe to my channel, and comment down below for more content that you guys want me to do. And please do subscribe and like and hit the notification bell button for more videos. Stay tuned, guys, and peace.